Hi, my name is Yasmin Villarreal, and today I'm going to persuade you to rethink your food waste. We all go to the grocery stores with the idea of saving money. You go, you buy your groceries to make your meals, to meal prep, whatever it is. But we always get busy with work, school, life, and we ended up, instead of cooking the food we buy, we end up throwing it away, which causes food waste. And that's what I'm going to help you avoid today, sorry, is food waste. One of the things that we could do is you get groceries delivery to your house. I actually just did this, and it's cost effective. Where instead of going and buying groceries for a whole week, and like I said, going to waste. I signed up at HomeChef.com, and my first week was only $20. $20 is so cheap for me to get 3 meals delivered to my house. I picked my own meals. I picked what protein I wanted to eat. I am on a diet again, so I picked vegetables and healthy meals. They will be delivered here Wednesday, and it was actually so affordable. I thought, getting fresh deliveries to your house. Sorry, my recording is not working. So, like I was mentioning earlier, you get your meals delivered to your house, and you can stop it. You can pause. You can continue to do it like every single week, or if you want to save money, or if you feel confident of cooking your own meals and like actually using your groceries, you can pause your subscription, or you can cancel it at any time. So that is one way that we could deter our food waste is just getting our groceries delivered to us, and like that you would just get exactly the portion control of what you need. A second thing that you can do is whenever you go to your grocery store, buy meat that's about to be expired. I know it sounds really bad, but I do it all the time. I buy chicken that's about to expire like in the next 2 days, and I get a discounted rate. I get like $2 off, or it's even half off. And all you have to do is just freeze it, and it's good. Just pull it out the next day before you're about to cook your meal, and it's just as fresh. That's going to save a lot of food waste. I know that from first-hand experience because I know people who work in the grocery industry, and they have to throw everything away. They can't keep it. Obviously, you're not going to go buy meat or milk or eggs that's past its expiration date. So they have no option but to throw it away. So you can go, you'll save money, and then you'll save the food waste as well. Finally, I went to the website, the FDA, the USDA, and there's actually a food waste challenge. So the food waste challenge was mainly more geared towards like big entities like the schools, groceries, restaurant establishments, and they were challenge you. So there is 3 ways, and a way it will challenge you will be reduce, recover, recycle. The first one will be reduce. So you are going to reduce your food waste by improving your ordering system. So let's just say, for example, Aldi. They have to order their milk and their eggs. So they would have to really invest in their productivity, see how much they're selling, if they're down on volume and whatnot. And depending on that, that is how you will order your quantity. So you have to really pay attention to your numbers and make sure that you don't over order, or to under order actually than over ordering. Because if you over order and that product sits on the shelf, they're gonna have to throw it away. So that goes back to recovery. Another way that they could recover that would be that they could partner up with local food banks, and they could donate that food and just get a tax write-off, which is always good for them. For example, one of my local Aldis, they actually call a nursing home nearby, and they let them know what's going to waste or whatnot, and every week they're there and they pick up all the food that's going bad or it's past the expiration date, and the nursing home gets it. Finally, so recycling. Recycling just pretty means just using the food waste to that's already expired, instead of throwing away and putting it for landfills, you can use it to do compost or to feed your animals. I know it sounds pretty bad, but the Aldi, once they do have food that's expired and that's out and the nursing home can't take it, they actually feed it to the dumpster cats. That is another issue for a whole nother speech. So yes, that is the food waste challenge that the USDA provided for higher entities is to reduce, recover, and recycle. I'm sorry, my recording did it again. So yes, reduce, recover, and recycle. It's something that we can all bring home and we can implement that in our routine so that we could save um, money and then we could reduce our food waste because at the end of the day, that food waste goes to landfills, fills the landfills, and that emits toxins that also affects our environment. So that again, in a whole other speech. So just check out the website at the USDA Gov. Just check out the USDA Gov and just go to what is the US Food Waste Challenge so you can help us. Thank you.